All right, here's another little update on the Camaro. This is the bracket for the locking mechanism for the trunk. What I'm doing is I got it taped up or mocked up to where I think it's going to go for, so I can mark it for welding, but it has to line up to that strike plate, I guess you call it. But anyways, that's on the deck lid. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera inside the trunk and lower it down and see if it locks in place. So let's go ahead and try that. Well, as you can see, it did lock in place, so let's go ahead and mark this up and weld it in place. All right, I'm all done with the trunk latch support. Went ahead and welded everything in. Started down here, welded this side, I threw some fiberglass on there, and I threw some paint on that after I sanded it. I did the same thing over here. I think they came out great. It's just a trunk, it'll still function. But worked out. I went ahead and plug weld right here on the drip rail for the trunk. I put 4 plug welds in there, and then I welded the seam that was going right across there. And then I just kind of filled it in a little bit. I still got to sand it down a little bit, but it looks good. And the trunk, of course, functions. And it does lock. It's not going to lock right now. I don't have it set to lock but that's good. So we're moving on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Alien Resto Mod Garage.